Hello and welcome to another episode of Tips and Ideas with Ed Wallace of Midwest Landscaping, www.uniqueenvironments.com. We're down here in South Orange County visiting a client of mine that I came over to do an estimate for, and we talked about doing Kurapia in his backyard. And he calls me back about 2-3 months later and said, hey, come down here and I got a little bit extra Kurapia that we can make a deal with, and I want to show you what I got. Check this out. This is the Kurapia utility ground cover that he's installed. The client did all the work himself. He saved money by doing the job himself, and he's did a fantastic and a beautiful job. As you can see, it's all nice and even, and it goes all the way back to the other side of his house over there. He has his stone work in, brickwork. He has his landscape lighting in. He has his drip system set up for his plants. He has his decomposed granite patio area. A lot of different things that we talked about when I initially came over, and he implemented them. Congrats to the homeowner. So sometimes, we're out here doing consultations and hoping that we'll get a job, and sometimes the clients, they take the initiative and they do it themselves. And I'm proud of this guy because he's took the job and he's made it happen. I just want to show you what it looks like. Kurapia utility ground cover. There you go. Ed Wallace, tips and ideas. Midwest Landscaping, www.uniqueenvironments.com.